I totally thought this was gonna print slowly, but it's so fast. Oh, it's so cute. Welcome back, Pettigrew crew. Today I'm doing a tutorial and demo on the Phomemo tiny thermal printer. So this little guy is so great for happy planning, homeschooling, bullet journaling, you name it. It's great. The packaging reminds me of like Apple packaging. I think it's kind of like the same packaging. And then they also sent me some printer paper, which we will get to in a little bit. But first, let's jump right into opening this up and taking a peek at what we have inside. So first up, we of course have the instructions. I love that these instructions are so super simple, to the point, and they're just very easy to read and follow quickly. And then the next little item, this is the charger, and as you can see, it is a USB charger. So as you know, there's lots of ways to charge it. I prefer to use my laptop for charging. And then here is the cutest little printer you ever saw. There's lots of colors. There's other colors to choose from. I chose the blush pink because of course it's Miss Pettigrew, one of my favorite colors. And I'm just gonna remove the film here. This is portable, it's handheld, it's very lightweight and super simple just to not throw, but put into your planner bag or your school bag or whatever it is that you are using. And this is all the sides. This is important. So we have this little lever, and this is how you open it up. And you can see that it comes with one of the thermal paper rolls. And I love to just kind of know how something works. So I did look up, how does a thermal printer work? And it actually sends a little electric current that generates heat, and then the heat activates the thermosensitive paper, which changes colors where it's heated. And so this comes with just the white regular sticker paper, and then they sent me 3 rolls of the extra paper. But it also, as you can see here, you can also do colored paper, and then they have a blue paper so that the ink comes out blue, but they don't have one that can do all the colors of whatever you're printing. So basically it prints in black and white or blue if you have the blue paper, but then they have like purple paper and things like that. But how cute are these rolls? They just look like there's some big giant paper rolls in a factory that have been shrunk down to itty bitty size. And I did want to mention that I did notice on the app that they're having a 20% off sale if you purchase the printer with these extra rolls of paper. So back to the cord, it just sticks in here on this side, and then as you can see, the other side can just be attached to your laptop or other device. And we can see here when it's charging, that little light will flash green, and when it's fully charged it will stay green. And if there's issues, you'll see like a solid red or a flashing red, like the battery is low or it's overheated. And now I'm just going to show you how I just charge it. I'm just going to stick it right into my laptop. I'm going to try to get the right side. I don't know about you, but every time I plug in a USB cord, I feel like I have to flip it around to the other side. But as you can see here, it is charging, so all is going according to plan. And this should take a few minutes, but in Miss Pettigrew world, I snap my fingers and it's all charged up. How nice is that? I wish the real world was like Miss Pettigrew world. But we can see here that it is solid green and it is ready to go. And here is the app. So you're going to want to go into your app store, type in Phomemo, and then you're going to want to install this cute little app that they have. And like I mentioned before, they are having a 20% off sale if you bundle the printer with paper. Up here, you find your exact model, and then down here, you can start playing around with all the fun templates they have. So I wasn't aware that there were so many cute types of templates, and of course you can see right away these are perfectly compatible with the Happy Planner, with bullet journaling, with note-taking. There's so many things that you can do with these stickers. Anywhere your little heart can decide that you need a sticker, you can put it. And a few of their categories are to-do lists, frames, and schedules, which of course is very Planner Girl friendly. And now I'm going to show you how to deal with the printer paper. This process was a little bit tricky for me only because the paper actually came in the printer the wrong direction. So I had a bit of a time trying to figure out why it wasn't working, and then all I had to do was just take off the little plastic pieces and make sure that the roll was facing the right way I needed it to. So right here is the way it came, how it faced, which is not correct. You actually want the paper, the white side of the paper, to be facing up. And this is what it actually looks like after I just switched the paper around and took the little sides off and made sure it was facing up. And you can tell it's facing the right way because that little design you see looks like a little teacup. So you don't want your teacup to be upside down. And yes, I think of teacup because I always have tea on the brain. As you can see it in my shot, I am forever drinking tea. But that is neither here nor there. So as you can see, white facing up, that's what you want. Okay, so our thermal printer paper is in, our light is green, we are charged, and we are ready to print. So I picked out this cute little strawberry to do template and was super excited to realize that you can actually type in your own memos or notes or whatever it is that you like to do. So I just quickly typed in a few little to-do lists, and then when you stick the sticker into your planner or your bullet journal or your teacher planner, you have it already typed out for you, and you can just cross it off with your pen because we all know how satisfying that is. Oh, and then here I wanted to mention you can do fine, medium, thick for the definition of your template. And then you can also print out multiple copies. This is Bluetooth compatible, so as long as your phone is on Bluetooth, it will sync. It lets you know it's connected, and then it lets you know it's printing. And I was excited to show you this, and I thought it was going to take a long time, and I mean, seriously, I barely had enough time to show it to you because this is how fast this thing prints, which was very surprising to me because I had read that thermal printers are a lot slower than regular printers, but this is a lot faster than my regular printer. I don't know about you, but you can just call me impressed. And here is the finished product. It is crystal clear, great quality. I'd say the only thing that wasn't my absolute favorite was just that when you are tearing off the sticker, it doesn't tear off quite as easily as I would like, but for me, I'm always going to be the one trimming it up anyway. I'm not going to leave like a big white jagged edge because I will be using this mainly in my Happy Planner and Teacher Planner. And here's me just randomly sticking it on the cover of one of my mini Happy Planners just to kind of give you an idea of how Happy Planner friendly this little guy is. And the sticker sticks really good too, I must say. And then I also wanted to show you this feature. Along with being able to type in the app onto your sticker, you can also use your finger clumsily like I did, or a stylus, and you can create your own sticker. If you're an artist, this is awesome. I will probably not be doing this feature very often, but my daughter appreciated this cute little sticker I made with her with a hand-drawn heart from Mama, and you can also put emojis in there, but again, they will be in black and white, not in color, because this does not print in color. But check out how fast this process is. So I'm just gonna push print, and then I am going to immediately have my sticker ready. I mean, it just comes out that fast. It's kind of awesome. And as you can see, again, this is me kind of struggling to get it out, and but much better. No tearage. Tearage is probably not a word. No tearing on that one. And it's exactly like the picture. The print quality is great. And I wanted to mention that once you charge it, it's supposed to last for 8.5 meters of sticker. So that's pretty great. These are pretty short stickers, so that means that you should be able to print out quite a lot of stickers without having to constantly recharge your Phomemo printer. And then this little guy is my daughter's diary. As I've mentioned before, I'm a homeschool mama, and so one of the things we have started having her do is she does a little bit of planning on her own, and she also keeps a diary where she puts art. So this is like some of her artwork. I just had to show that off really quick. But she does that, so she's very excited for this printer, And then I just wanted to show you, there's these class schedules, which I think are going to be really cute for her to keep herself organized for all of her different subjects in school. I also wanted to mention, of course, you can print pretty much anything you find online, any picture, and any photo from your phone, which I'm going to be spotlighting in a plan with me I'm going to do with this printer coming soon. So make sure to subscribe to Miss Pettigrew Review and ring that bell. But these are just some of the different ways that you can use these stickers, from anything from happy planning to journaling to school. And I really have to say I give this printer probably like a 9.8 out of 10, with the only marks against it is I do wish that it kind of tore a little bit easier. And I was gonna try to say something else, but really that's my only note here. I really love this printer. It's super adorable, and my daughter and I are gonna really enjoy using this. And like I said, I will be doing a plan with me using this, and I'm going to be printing out lots of photos so you can see a better idea of what that looks like. So I hope you will subscribe and join the Pettigrew crew. Here is a playlist of some Happy Planner videos that you might enjoy. Happy planning!